G'day Australia, Coram from Universal Fuse here. We've been putting together a lot of new plug and play kits for the VF Commodore, and a pretty common question with these kits is going to be, where is the accessories connection in a VF sedan and ute? Well, the answer to that is just under the glove box. You take off the protective kick panel, and just tucked up under here you'll find this build connector, and the pin indicated, which is, when looked the correct way up, the top right, or when you're viewing it from this way, the bottom left, is in fact the accessories, switched accessories, when the key is turned on, when the audio unit is turned on, and that remains powered on until the vehicle door is opened and then closed. So if you turn the key off, that accessories pin will remain active until you step out of the vehicle, out of the driver's side door. That's the best spot in the front of the vehicle to get the accessories pickup. There's also an accessories pickup in the back above the battery in the fuse panel. But for our plug and play kits, for the plug and play Pioneer processor amplifier and the plug and play Sony 4-channel amplifier, that is the accessories feed pickup that you will need to use.